Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
My dear king, your son is very competent. He will perform activities which would be impossible even for great kings and sages. Very soon he will complete his task and come back home. You should know that he will also spread your reputation all over the world. Here in this verse, Narad Muni has described Dhruv Maharaj as Prabhu. This word is applicable to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Sometimes the spiritual master is addressed as Prabhupada. Prabhu means the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and Pada means post. According to Vaishnav philosophy, the spiritual master occupies the post of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, or in other words, he is the bona fide representative of the Supreme Lord. Dhruv Maharaj is also described here as Prabhu because he is an acharya of the Vaishnav school. Another meaning of Prabhu is master of the senses, just like the word swami. Another significant word is sudushkaram, very difficult to perform. What was the task that Dhruv Maharaj undertook? The most difficult task in life is to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and Dhruv Maharaj would be able to do that. We must remember that Dhruv Maharaj was not fickle. He was determined to execute his service and then come back. Every devotee, therefore, should be determined that in this life he will be able to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and by that process go back home, back to Godhead. That is the perfection of the highest mission of life.